Hi guys, I'm back again, and today, as you can see right here, I am doing a mukbang seafood boil. And I've been waiting to do this for so long. I'm so happy. I got a lot of stuff here so we can jump right into it and get into it. So, here's my thumbnail. And the sauces, which sauce is better, BELOVES sauce or sass sauce? And I got this funny feeling they both are gonna be good. I got my trusty cup of water here. I got my scissors on deck. I have some black clams. Okay, some black clams here. Shrimp, crab legs, some corn, some potatoes. Now my potatoes are white potatoes and red potatoes. Like they are kind of like mixed, as you can see. So I'm gonna move my camera up a little bit. Pull the camera up a little bit so it's closer to the table. Okay, there you go. Perfect. Had to just do a little bit of adjustment real fast. All right, so I'm going to get started with this mukbang. So I'm going to start off. This is my first time doing either sauce, so we're going to see how it turns out. But what I will say about BELOVES sauce, I did do a little bit of modifications on both of the sauces, to be honest, because I don't really like spicy stuff, but a little bit is not too bad. So I didn't put as much butter for BELOVES sauce. I put water. I did add water to it also. And for sass sauce, I did not use all of the chili peppers because that would be just way too much. So I'm going to start off. I'm going to taste this since this is just sitting here looking like it's need to be eaten. If you can see, the sauce is already on it. I'm going to take a little bit more dip in there. And I'm just going to get into it and see what this sauce is about. It looks really good, like I just put it all in a shell. I'm going to just start eating. This is so strange because I'm not a big fan of cilantro, but it tastes really good. This is a good sauce. So I'm going to try a mussel. So far, so good. I like the sauce. I like a sassy sauce. I'm enjoying this. Number one, I like it because it's not cold. It's a cold sauce, and it's fast and easy to make. That's what I definitely like about this one. And the taste is really good, and it doesn't have a lot of ingredients. That's another thing. I'm gonna try a potato. That's pretty good. I'll try this again. Now, what I will say is, if you really don't like spiciness, you will definitely have to modify this sauce because, I mean, I only put 2 chili peppers in here, and I can taste the spice. I mean, that was really, to be honest, that's enough for me. Definitely a sauce that you will want to drink water with because there's enough flavors and seasonings already. So Mmm. I will say the sauce is really good. I really like it with the shrimp. I don't know what it is about it, but it tastes real good with the shrimp. I'm gonna try it with the corn again. Mmm. Delicious. Mmm. It's really good. I'm loving it. Again, sad sauce, very minimum ingredient. It's a cold sauce. I like it. I really like it with the shrimp the most. The potatoes, it's pretty good. I tried it with a red potato. I'm gonna try it with a white potato and see if that tastes a little bit different. Guys, I'm giving you the full effect in this thing. I'm giving you the full effect. Corn, everything tastes good so far for me. What I like the most with this sauce is the I like it with the shrimp. I must say, it is good with the shrimp. Well, again, if you don't like spice, this may not be the sauce for you. I'm not a big spice person, but I cannot get it up. As you can see, I am eating this sauce and eating this sauce. I haven't had a chance to even get to the next sauce yet. But I really am enjoying this sauce. Like I said, it's so good with the shrimp. I'm just really getting into it. I'm loving it. So, okay. I gotta take a break from that sauce and try the other sauce. But, like I said, I really like it with the shrimp the most. That's my favorite thing with the sauce. The potatoes is okay. But really is just the shrimp. The mussels are good too. I almost drank all my drink. I want to try to clear my palate. So I can. There's no way I'm eating all this seafood. I'm almost full already. So I don't even know how long this video is going to be. Because I cannot see myself, guys. Like, seriously, getting nowhere. I don't know how these guys do it. We're eating all this food. There's no way I can. No way. I feel the corner of my teeth. I'll try anything. Okay. So, here we go. The BELOVES sauce. I'm going to take a little mix. I'm trying to mix this a little bit. And I'm making a mess. I'm spilling this all over. I'm going to try to mix it because I put this shrimp in there. Like, soak it. Oh, excuse me. I tried to soak it so I can, get the flavor. You know, when I watch BELOVES, I see her always dipping her shrimp and soaking her shrimp into it. So, as you can see, all of this thickness, this has a little bit more texture. Not really. I'm not going to say it has more texture because they both have nice little things in it. But this one is a little bit more thick. And, definitely two different types of sauces. For real, y'all. I don't know if it's fair to say that you can really compare the two sauces with each other because there's such different types of sauce. Like for me, I wouldn't have both sauce. I wouldn't have both sauces out at the same time unless it's like a dinner party or something like that, and you know you just want to give variety. But I don't see these two sauces as the same type of sauce. This sauce is warm. It has a different flavor, more buttery. Let's see one more time. Let me see. The BELOVES sauce, what I like about it is it gives you more of a seafood feel. Because you can taste this Old Bay, the peppers, you know, the onions and everything in that. I'm really enjoying it too. And you do like the warmness of it. It's warm, so you, a nice, good seafood winter sauce. Because it's nice and warm. Love it. Let's try it with a potato. Let's see what it's all about. Come on. Let's get that dip. Try to get something on here. Huh? Let's see. I just bit my lip. Oh, well. That hurt. Okay. One more time. Let's dip. Let's see. Got my shrimps in here. They're like soaking in the sauce. Now, what I will say is both of the sauces definitely have spice on it. And the next time for BELOVES sauce, I definitely cut down on some of the spice for me. But this one is some spicier because I make sure I didn't put that much in. And many chili peppers in there because I know chili peppers are too hot for me. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. I'm loving the spice. I just don't want to be too overwhelming. See, I got my little handle on my corn so I can dip all in dip, and that's what I'm gonna do. Let me get some dip. Oh, see that? This is what I've been waiting to do right here. See that? Oh yeah. Get all of that. Oh, let that just drizzle down and yeah, good to what? Yeah. This is good. This is good. That was going up. Oh my gosh, it's all over my shirt. Okay. Let's try the potato. Another one. This is good, guys. My shirt is like so ruined. The sauce is like dripping all over it. This is awesome, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so glad I tried these sauces. Now, let's talk about the seafood. Because now, I need a few minutes because I'm getting full. Okay, so I went to Sam's Club. Got these snow crabs. I want to do like a part 2 video because there's no way I'm going to be able to get through this in one sitting. Seriously. I think I got myself like so hyped. yeah, I can't get into this. But anyway, I went to Sam's Club. Oh, you see, this is all over the place. I went to Sam's Club and I got this bag of snow crab legs. This is a pretty good package of snow crabs because this is hard. All right. It was like $21. And usually, you know, snow crab legs, they're not big. Oh, okay. Can't get this open. I don't want to hurt my... Oh, all right. It's dangerous. Okay. So, like I said, I got it from Sam's Club. It was like $21. Usually, you know, when you get snow crab legs, they're usually now let's lost my train of thought. $21, but you know, the snow crab legs are usually not this big, but look at this big chunk. See that? So I want to dip it here. Don't want to dip it here. I don't know. I'm just trying to clean. Let's see. Yeah. Y'all need to dip there. I can see the plate. I'm making a mess. I'm gonna try this one. Okay. I'm making a mess. Okay. Let me try here. This one. I will say this, guys. I don't like mixing. I don't like mixing the sauces together because they're so different. I would rather have them, eat them separately. I don't like the mixing them. It's not my deal. For real. But overall, both of them are good. I mean, really good sauces. I commend both of these ladies. These sauces are both delicious. But like I said, like anyone, you modify it to your liking. They both are delicious. I love them. Okay. I'm definitely going to be eating these sauces again. I may even try these sauces on something else. I'm not too sure. But I was wondering if for either one of these sauces, could you freeze it? Because say maybe I don't want to eat all of it all at once. Or I just want a smaller amount. Because both of these portions, even though this is smaller, that is enough for me. Like, I don't want too much. So I was wondering if anybody could just comment below and let me know. Have they ever frozen these sauces before? And then how is it afterwards? Is it good, or is it something that you just, you know, you only can for a couple of days and you have to get rid of it? Comment below. Let me know. Okay? Let me know. So for now, buy my QTs. You probably sit there and think like, yeah, I didn't really eat much, but I'll have to come back for another seafood boil because until next time, guys, I have to go. I can't eat no more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with any and everyone that you know. Come back to this channel, check it out, become a QT, and hang out with the M crew. See you later, guys. Bye.